There's another token for you. One more. You just have one more before church time, bud. The following directions. Okay. If you were afraid or worried about what your mom said, if you broke her favorite vase in her...
She doesn't have any vases.
What does she have that's really special to her? That's fragile.
Something that I got her.
What's that?
Remember last year I had a choice box? I got like that decoration for her.
Oh, what happened if that got broken by accident? You might feel nervous when she found out, right?
I'd feel sad just like her. That's why I got it.
That is true. That is true. What if you... Oh, how about this? What if you dropped your phone by accident? Would you feel nervous about what she would say?
Doesn't matter. She barely even has any phones because every day she usually drops it 100 times. So actually, none of these are even making me nervous.
Goodness. You know what? Remember Mr. Young that came to our school? He's our superintendent. Sometimes when my boss, the superintendent, comes to school, I feel nervous. Okay? Now, can you say the word nervous again?
Nervous.
All right. If you lived in a country, let's see, let's make up the name. Oh, the land of Elf. Remember the alien I showed you? And you lived there and you were part of that community. You would be a citizen and you would have citizenship. All right? So if you lived in a community for a long time and you were part of that community, you would have what?
Citizenship.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. So when you read the book with Mr. Kidder, Marvin, the Red Post, you will hear the word citizenship when they talk about when the president comes to visit Marvin's school. And he's going to feel nervous about the president coming. You know why? Because he's going to be thinking about his behavior and how he's acting. And he's worried about being able to act his very best when the president comes. So you could be nervous about someone finding out something or nervous about how you
Can you
act.
put that?
Okay?
Put it.
All right. Nice job. Okay, Okay, so what are the two words you're going to hear in that story?
Citizenship
and nervous. That's right. Okay, let's check it off our list. We've done our vocabulary lesson. And then it's time to read. Oh, you know what? Today, you get to read 1 or 2 books.
What's next?
And then we're going to put it off.
And how much do I have to read if I read 2?
Well, let's look at your contract. So you have read...
Wait, what is this one for?
This one, it says, when Mark reads 8 books, he will earn extra recess with a friend.
Oh, yeah. I forgot
10 minutes, yeah. So you have read
extra recess?
Yes, it says extra recess.
What? I never got... Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah, remember we fulfilled this contract?
Yeah, no, I forgot.
You forgot? Yeah, you did the computer. Okay, so... Today, your goal, you still have, you have 7 more books to read?
Can I read 7?
I would suggest 1 or 2. So we're going to read 1 or 2.
Should I do 4? Then tomorrow I can do 3.
I like how you're planning ahead. I really do. How about this? Why don't we start with 1? You can pick which one you want to read. And then...
Can I read the one that I've already read? I like to reread some.
You can definitely read one that's familiar. That's a good strategy for reading.
I only want to read 1.
There's this one that you've read before that's baseball.
Baseball.
And I hear that you want to read 1. Okay. I just want to give you another option. There's Stargazers that we've read. Okay. Wait.